Welcome back to MrYouWho. Andy here again. Great to have you back with us today for another JBL Earbuds review. Now, we're really excited to be reviewing the JBL Endurance 2 earbuds. The reason why is we love to use our earbuds when we're exercising at the gym, walking, running, swimming. And we heard a lot about these, so we're very happy to be reviewing them. And this kind of builds on our other JBL reviews we've done, such as JBL Reflect Flow, JBL Project Rock, which you can see just here. Now, we're going to jump out and use these earbuds actually out in the field so you can see what they're like. You'll see us at the gym, you'll see it running, so you can see how they're experienced. Now, 30 hours battery life, waterproof, so you can actually use them in water, sweat resistant as well, great sounding, so we're really excited to be reviewing them, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this review as always. So first we'll start off with unboxing, then we'll test the earbuds out to see how they work, then we're going to use them out and about. Finally, we're going to talk about some of the different features of them, and give you a guys' view as to whether we think you should buy them. Now, we believe from our review coming up that this is probably the best earbuds you can have on the market for sports. They don't move in the ear, and they're really, really great. But anyway, I guess you'll see that in the review coming up. So let's go and jump in and have a look at that now at MrYouWho. So here we are with the JBL Endurance Peak 2 headphones. Now let's take a look at the box. So there you go. So straight away you can see it's IPX7. So that's sweat and waterproof, which is really great. You can actually put these under water when you're working out, which is great if you're into fitness. There's a bit more information about it, which we'll go through into shortly when we actually unbox them. Again, the standard JBL packaging. As you can see, we'll go through some of those features shortly as well. So let's take a look and see what comes actually in the box. So there you go. So there's the pebble shape and the headphones separately. So let's take a look at these. So as you can see, the pebble's quite big compared to other JBL headphones. So if you're looking at actually putting this in your pocket, I'd say it's quite big. See, there it is compared to my hand. That being said though, I do love the style and love the design. So there it is there, and you can just pop that open by pressing the button just there. Like so. We'll come back to that in a moment. Let's see what else comes in the box. So there's the headphones it comes with as well. So I'll take these out individually. Now as you can see with the headphones, they have the hook, which hooks across the ear. Now I love this hook because as we're going to go and show when we actually test these out in the field, the hook works really, really well. It actually locks into your ears. So you can push it out there, put it into your ear, and then lock it down. And it actually fits really, really well. Anyway, we'll have a look at these shortly. We'll just continue the unboxing and see what else comes in the box. So it comes with a USB-C charging point, so you can charge it from your power point. It also comes with other tips as well. So if you find it doesn't work in your ear very well, you've got different tips which you can use. Now it comes with the standard JBL manual, so you've got the quick start guide on how to use it, the warranty, and the all the product information there as well, which is quite standard with JBL. Now, the one thing I love about these is the battery life. So in the case here, you get 24 hours charging in the case, and with the headphones, you get 6 hours charging each headphones. Now, they also use Bluetooth 5.0 as well, which is really handy. And they're as easy as, you just clip open the case there, you pop the earbud in there like so, like that, and it starts charging straight away, like that. Now, this whole thing weighs 26 grams. The earbuds are quite light as well. Now, the great thing with these as well is they're dual connect. So that means that if you pick up one earbud and it connects, you can then use this to play music, listen to calls, etc., which is really handy. And you can also use individual ones for your hands-free calls and your assistants, say your Google or your Siri assistants too. They work really, really well. So all in all, as you can see, they're great earbuds. So now we're going to go and jump across and talk through some of the features and how they feel in the ear. Okay, so let's have a look at how easy the JBL Endurance Peak 2 earbuds are to use. So here's the case. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the case by pressing the button there. So you can see the two headphones there. So quite easily just take the one like that and put it into your ear, like so. Now hooking around the ear like this. Now, as you can see, you just lock it down like that, locks into place. Now we get the second one, we do the same thing. So we open up the case again, and we take the earbud and put it into our ear. Now you lock them both down. Now they're the earbuds in the ear. Now straight away they feel really comfortable. So you can see there, they're not moving whatsoever. You can use different tips if you want to help you manage them correctly. Now when you're doing sound, it's really, really easy to do. You press the button once to play music. You press the button twice to call Google Siri Assistant. And you can also swipe up to increase the volume or down to decrease the volume as well. I love the functions, it's excellent. Now on your left hand side as well, if you want to answer calls, you press the button there, just there to do that. So yeah, I mean, they're great functions. They feel really good as well, as I said, on the ears. They don't move at all. And I think they're going to be really good with sports. Well, anyway, let's go actually test these out now to go and see what they're like actually out and about, at the gym, running, so you guys can see what I mean by how effective it is. And I'll come back and we'll talk a bit more about the sound. Let's do that right now. So using on a scooter, really comfortable. They don't move in my ears at all. Great using them. At the gym, again, they don't move. You can't hear the outside gym noise as well, so it feels like you're doing a workout on your own. Great, comfortable, and no movement whatsoever. And running, what a pleasant experience. Again, sit really well on the ears. These are fantastic earbuds to use for exercising outdoors. Now, as you can see, the JBL Endurance Peak 2 were excellent out exercising. At the gym, they didn't move my ears. I couldn't hear much background noise. Running, they didn't move at all. And I'd say they're my favourite earbuds for exercise, even better than JBL Reflex Flow I reviewed previously. Now, what about the sound? Well, I love listening to house music, and the beats are crisp, clear. You really feel like you're part of the music. Listen to a bit of classical music as well. The tempos are clear. You can really hear it. And you really do get lost in the music, and that kind of reflects how good JBL sound is. As always, JBL, great quality sound, and a Bluetooth 5 driver. They really are well connected. Now, as I said, I also use these when I was running in the rain as well, and they are waterproof. So it's very unusual to get a pair of earbuds that are waterproof, that last really well. So, especially for the price as well, they're really, really good. So JB, you've done a great job with these, and also like how you can use this independently. So I can use this earbud here to listen to music, to play music all by itself as well, which is great. And also, I use them on voice calls. Sound was great, they could hear me fine, and there was no external noise. So, yeah, really, really good. Well, anyway, I think we're going to jump across now and go and talk about what our final conclusion is and what we think about the JBL Endurance Peak 2 earbuds. So let's go and look at that right now. What's MrYouWho's final review in the JBL Endurance Peak 2 earbuds? Well, these are exceptional earbuds. And the reason being is they're fantastic for sport. Using them when I was out and about running, they didn't move at all in the ears. So as you can see here, they just lock in. And they just don't move whatsoever. The sound's fantastic. I also use them when I was running out in the rain, and water got on them, they were fine. I've also put them into water as well. Again, you could put them out, you could still use them, so they were exceptional. Sweat-proof as well, which is great. Now the music's great as well. The bass is great sounding. The treble's crisp and clear. It sounds like, professional, great sounding pair of earbuds. Exceptional. Also love the battery life as well. 30 hours is exceptional. I mean, you can literally fly from Australia to the UK when planes open and using them. And I guess previously my favourite sports earbuds were the JBL Reflex Flow. I think these top them, and the reason being is just because they don't move in the ears. As I said, you can move it all around, they don't move. I also like about how you can swipe. You can actually change the different functions on the earbuds. Again, you've got Google Assistant, Siri Assistant. But they're also really, really good when you're actually using them for when you're speaking. So voice calls with stereo are really, really clear. And also you can use each earbud individually. So you can actually take the earbuds, pull them out of the case, and use one of them for calls, for listening to music, for voice control, which is really, really good. So JBL, you've done a fantastic job with these earbuds. I love the technology. I love how far you've come along with your sports range of earbuds. And guys, if you want to look at our other earbud reviews for JBL, so we've got JBL earbud reviews with numerous ones you can have a look at, from the 220, 125, Reflex Flow, Project Rock. You can see different types, but again, JBL, well done with these earbuds. Again, you've hit it out of the park. I really enjoy them. So anyway, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and put in comments what you think about these earbuds. And if you want to purchase them, we'll have links down below. Well, again, from us here at MrYouWho, thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho.